Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a skincare video and I will be talking about couple of products from the brand called Kama Ayurveda, and I have been using these products for 2 weeks now. So these products are specially designed to get glowing skin. It also helps in reducing the dullness, dryness, pigmentation and signs of aging. For those who are not aware about the brand, Kama Ayurveda is an Indian skincare brand and they use all natural and organic product in their formulation. So I will be showing you two products from the brand. So if you guys are looking to get a skincare routine which will give you a nice glow, or you are a bride to be and want to set a skincare routine for you, these will be the two products I will be recommending. First product is this Kumkumadi Brightening Ayurvedic Face Scrub. It contains pure Kumkumadi oil and finely grounded sweet almonds and Kashmir saffron. The texture of the scrub is so creamy, and the best part is the exfoliating granules are so tiny that it doesn't feel harsh on your skin, and at the same time it effectively exfoliates your skin and makes it softer and smoother. I recommend using this product at least once a week for the people who have dry skin and twice a week for oily skin people. Kama Ayurveda products are clinically tested at MSI, that is Mascot Spin Control India, which is a clinical research organization. This research was conducted on both male and female for 28 days who had dull skin and pigmentation. This research was evaluated by the dermatologist and there were visible results. 97% of the panel showed improved skin smoothing. So now let's talk about their second product. This is their rejuvenating and brightening Ayurvedic night cream. This cream slightly has a thick texture, so just a small quantity is enough for entire face. This cream again has saffron to brighten your skin, and it helps in preventing fine lines and delays the process of aging skin. I also like to apply under my eyes as it reduces dark circles and pigmentation. I recommend using this cream daily for desired results. So before I end this video, I just like to mention that both of these products are available online on kamaayurveda.com and amazon.in. You can check the links in the description box below. If you like this video, then do not forget to subscribe my channel, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye guys.